Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Over the years, I've made plenty of videos on how to make a cube by just drawing some lines on a six-sided polygon to make a cube. But somebody wanted a flatter, like a box type cube. So that's very easily done with this tool. Now this is a six-sided polygon. If we go to object and convert it to a curve, we can actually take all these nodes and start moving and hold down the control button, and you get that shape. Now, it's a little bit, two ways you could do it. You could just draw some imaginary lines, but you could also just make a copy of that and then put it like, we'll go the other way. I meant to go the other way. And then put it up there. And then there's your two other lines that you need. And then you could take a 3-point line, or excuse me, a 2-point line, and just go from that node to that node. Take your virtual segment delete key and delete these lines. And there you have a kind of a flattened out short block, basically. We're going to smart fill. I'm going to use this burnt orange. Maybe it'll show it off a little bit better. Now I'm going to grab, that one's already grabbed, so I'm going to go to interactive fill tool, and I'm going to do exactly what I did, just go downhill and put a little black. Now you see it's not as black over there, so you can just angle this basically where this line is perpendicular to that. Now we're going to do the same thing to that side. Just take the interactive fill tool, go down, put a little black in that corner. Now you can either just move this handle, but you're really better off getting it at a right angle, kind of doing something like that. Now that doesn't really float your boat. You can go over here and right click an outline, and it'll really make it stand off quite a bit. And we can actually go a little bit thicker than that. And there you have an outside of that. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.